Woohoo, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of the Sunsair X7A 65-minute runtime 50 kPa self-standing 1M hose cordless stick vacuum cleaner because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. It is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It has a super long runtime that's enough to vacuum my entire house all in one go and comes with several swappable heads for different surfaces. But we got this vacuum for a couple of different reasons. The first is because we've got different types of floors and we wanted something that would effectively vacuum on all of them. The second reason is because we've got kids who are constantly making messes but often drop stuff on the ground like food, crumbs, and other stuff that are just heavier to pick up. So we needed something that was powerful enough to pick up that heavy debris. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is so awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further in convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads in Cyclone, starting with the motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, and tiles. Then you have this crevice nozzle for picking up fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas. Then you have this circular brush head to attach to the Cyclone. Simply pressing this button retracts back and protracts forward the brush head, which is good for removing dust from dusty surfaces and furniture. Then you have this furniture scraper, which is good for removing embedded hair and lint from couch cushions and tightly woven fabrics. Then you have this 1M flex hose, which takes vacuuming furniture to a whole new level. I simply connect it and then use the crevice nozzle to get deep within cushions, underneath pillows, and all around stuff without having to maneuver the entire vacuum around just to get into that one little corner. Then you have this extendable wand that by pressing this button here, it extends the wand into an upright stick vacuum. I love using this to get under couches and not having to bend over as much when vacuuming. And then finally, you have the Cyclone. First, you have this little button here that if you press, releases the dustbin door to empty out the dustbin. But then if you press on this button here by the handle, it allows you to remove the dustbin completely to both wash out and rinse. It also provides you access to the filters. Then, to access and then clean the filters, you simply remove the dustbin and then you yank on this little pull tab here to remove the filter. You'll take this apart, run it under water and rinse it off, let it air dry for about 24 hours, and then you simply insert it back in, wedge it into place, and you're good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then pressing the trigger, it'll activate the Cyclone and illuminate this back LCD screen to show you how much power you have left and what mode of power you're using. And if you press this button here, it'll switch it from Eco mode to Turbo mode to Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode. A couple fun features is that on Eco mode, I can vacuum my entire house, all floors in one session. Our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this little book nook, a guest room, all of the stairs, the living room, kitchen, the mud room, this little entry room here, our bathroom, closet, and our entire master bedroom all in one go. And what I'll do is that I'll occasionally switch it to Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode to pick up heavier debris or crumbs and stuff lodged in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can and then you'll just press on this button here. It'll swing open the door and then just by giving it a couple of pats, and if necessary a grab or two, empties out most of the remaining debris and then you simply close the lid until it locks into place and you're good to go. Charging it is pretty simple as well. Simply plug it into this little port found here, and if it's still attached to the Cyclone, it'll illuminate that LCD screen indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. But you can also remove the battery as well to charge separately from the Cyclone to further convenience. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues, works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery and allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great, especially for that turbo boost mode in picking up lodged crumbs and debris in carpet. So that's my product overview of this ergonomic, efficient, and mean little vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or heart on the video. Over and out.